is your babe, Ella's mindset. My people, how you doing? Welcome again to my amazing channel. I guess you all are doing great. Yes, you are highly welcome to my channel. I appreciate you for always coming, for always stopping by, for always watching my video. You are just the best. May God bless you and may God grant you that which you desire. Yes, this new month. Yeah, our month of grabbing all that we desire. I just come across one video on Facebook last week where one lady was crying. They are just in the bank crying. The lady was crying. Everybody was shouting. That place was crowded. They were shouting, and this man came to withdraw his money. They didn't give him his money. At the point of that, the man just kicked the bucket. The man just gave up the ghost. Man, I said, what is really happening? Upon my own money, I came to cash my own money. Upon that, I died on top of it. Some deaths in that country is very, very alarming. Many things that are happening in that country is not supposed to be. Our country, our beloved home, is not supposed to be, man. That thing really got me. I cried. I was shedding tears. Yes, I was shedding real tears because that man could be your father, could be your uncle or your brother. Sometimes like this, things will be happening, and a normal human being will just see it and you just pass by, because that kind of a thing has not before you. Until something like that happens to you, you really understand exactly the things that people are talking about or saying. You know, what am I saying? Some banks in our country are something else. Yeah, I will say that all banks, some banks in that country are something else. You won't believe. Because I even remember back then in Nigeria, when I was still in Nigeria, that time when I want to go to the bank, I would try and go to bank early, and I will make sure that I don't have any other appointment to go apart from that, because you go to the bank and you stand, though I'm using UBA that time, you will stand there, oh, even if it's sunny, you will stand under the sun because you came to withdraw your money. Their services are at times very poor. At times you still go there, depend on the branches you just go. At times you still go and you cash your money and you go. But some banks, honestly, what they are really saying or showing on this video, some banks are really something else. They don't know, their services are too poor. Their services to human being are too poor. They don't know how to attend to their customers. They don't know how to, as in, pamper their customers. Without that, your customer, your bank will not be in existence. Man, I saw this video, I was like, why? How can this man just die because of his money? He came to withdraw his money. You know? And you don't know. They even said that he came on Friday, and they told him that the bank, whether the system was bad or whatever, they told the man, and the man has to go back home. You don't know. This man came to withdraw money for him to go to hospital. You know how our country is now. Nigeria is a place that you want to go to hospital, they will tell you to deposit. Oh God, we are too far. Oh, honestly, God, when will this Messiah arrive in our country, in my beloved home? That is why we are seeking for Biafra. Because when you find out all these people that are seeking for Biafra, majority of them are outside the country. Majority of the intellectuals, the people that will do wonders when Nigeria and when Biafra comes, they are outside the country, because they have seen the benefits of mankind. They have seen that which we're supposed to be as enjoying in our own country. That is why they said they need this Biafra. When you look at all our intellectuals, like when you go to all the countries, you find out that our Nigerians, they have something here. They can offer, they can produce, they can deliver. That is why they needed this. Okay, now, these banks now, are you going to tell me that it's government that are controlling it? That is why we say that we need some people that you need to go undergo some training. I know they go on training, but their training, I don't know what they teach them there. Man, I said no, this thing is not, is too bad, because that man could be my father. Go to bank, and for him to go and withdraw his money, they tell him this and this, and they lock them outside. Before you know it, the man was struggling, someone that is sick. He came to withdraw money to go to hospital so that they will attend to him. And he was telling you people, please, I needed this money. It's an urgent. You allow the man to kick the bucket. You allow the man to just die like that. You can save a soul within a twinkle of an eye. And he came on Friday. You people told him system is doing this, and he still repeated and come on Monday. And you refused to give him his money. He was there shouting. He was there. Please, I need my money. And you people saw, and people cried there. They were even telling you people, open gate, open door, so that this man will enter and you attend to him. Because I know our people. I know how they behave. They will not allow you to die like that. I know our people that have good heart, that golden heart. They are Biafran in nature, is in them, in their blood. They don't like people die unnecessarily. They don't like seeing people in tears. My dear, this is too bad of our country. This is too bad this is too bad for some banking sector in our country. Some banking services they are rendering to people is too poor. When will you people learn? That man that you let die like that could be your father. Put that man in your father's shoes. Somebody did that to your father. How will you feel? You come back home and they call you in your office, they tell you that your father just died right now. Your father that you saw in the morning, you wake up in the morning and you tell daddy, bye-bye, I'm going to work. In the next minute, they call you that your dad died. It's not as if that he died a natural death. He died struggling, in pain. Somebody caused the death. Don't say that the man has been sick. No. Yes, even if he's sick, but he was strong enough to come to the bank to withdraw the money. But you couldn't attend to him. He died at the process of withdrawing his money. It's too bad. Nigeria banks, wake up. Services are too poor. Some of you are rendering poor services to poor masses, people that are contributing to the development of your bank, people that are fitting your bills, keeping you where you are, eating today. They are poor masses. Your customers supposed to be number one priority in your life. My people, I want you to watch the video, as in the crowd video where they were shouting, though they didn't show the man's body. So wait, though they didn't show the man's body, this is where the crowd was shouting. You see? SCMB in Port Harcourt. You see, they refuse him access to his own account, to his own money. They refuse him to enter to withdraw his money. Someone that is sick. Too bad. Too painful. Oh God, too painful. Wow. Too painful. You see? That is it, my people. The man died for his own money. Is it not painful? Is it not too bad? Man, please, my people, my sincere advice is that whenever you see your dad or your mom, your aged parents going to the bank to withdraw money, because as you can see now, the kind of things that is happening in that country, when they're going to the bank to withdraw money, please, I will advise you to go with them. In case of any crowd or anything delay like this, please take them back home. That is my sincere advice, because that country is only God that will help us and deliver us till Biafra comes, and God will help us, and it must surely come. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up from here. Yes, if you enjoyed this video, please always give the video a thumbs up. Whenever you come across it, watch, give a thumbs up and share my video. Don't forget to share my video. And stay cool, stay blessed. Jesus love you, okay? I love you. Don't look for trouble. Stay out of trouble. Ciao.